Today, I formally announce my support for Charlie Brown to be president. Like most of you, I grew up with Charlie Brown. He's the little kid in Peanuts comics with a round bald hat and a yellow shirt with a zigzag line in front. He's a loyal friend to Snoopy, his dog, and a true leader. Presidency is not about power. Presidency is a privilege. Today I'm going to highlight 3 qualities Charlie Brown has that will earn the privilege from us. They are humanity, humility, and hardiness, the triple H. First, humanity. Humanity means sympathetic and compassionate behavior. Leaders get the privilege and people and must work for people, including the most vulnerable one. Charlie Brown knew that even when he was in kindergarten. He was asked to look for a Christmas tree. He didn't get the tallest one or the one with the longest branches. Instead, he bent down and picked this sad little one up. When you put one ornament on, it bends right over. I can assure you that he will take care of every single one of us here. Whether you are rich or poor, whether you have hair or no hair like him, whether you like Snoopy or Hello Kitty, even if you're allergic to peanuts, he will treat you with humanity and support equity. Charlie Brown for president. Good leaders care about people and listen to their needs. Good leaders also have open mind and listen to criticism. And this is the second H he brings, humility. It means free from arrogance or pride. Leaders know that they cannot possibly be the expert of all areas, so they listen to the team for input. They are also not afraid to make any corrective action if needed. Not every adult is able to do that, but it is in Charlie Brown's DNA. Even when he was a kid, he would wake up in the middle of the night, contemplating about life. And then he would put 5 cents and get advice from Lucy. Now he's older. He knows that he's still not necessarily wiser. I can assure you that he will work with his team and develop program and policy after comprehensive consultations and careful considerations. Charlie Brown for president. Charlie Brown is a man with humanity, humility. But he also has the hardiness to tackle tough issues presidents need to face. Hardiness means the ability to endure difficult situations. Leaders lead people out of challenges. They also motivate people to follow their vision. The journey can be dark and stormy, sometimes with fire and fury. Leaders need to have the grit to stay the course. And Charlie Brown has a strong track record of doing that. He was the team captain of his baseball team. How many games do you think his team won? Any guesses here? 0. Yes, a big fat 0. But that did not deter him from assembling his team, devising strategy, and showing up at the baseball pit, rain or shine. I can assure you that Charlie Brown won't take the easy way out and just walk away from the negotiation table. Instead, he'll bring humility to the table. With his team and allied, work tirelessly on humanity issues. Charlie Brown for president. Today I'll share with you the 3 leadership qualities Charlie Brown has. Humanity, humility, and hardiness, the triple H. Who believe in the value of the triple H? If you believe in the values of the triple H, you identify with Charlie Brown. If you identify with Charlie Brown, you become Charlie Brown in your community? That's right. I see you, and you, hands up. I see many Charlie Browns in this room. When I announced my support for Charlie Brown for president, I become Charlie Brown in my Toastmaster community. I'm wearing a magical yellow shirt with a zigzag line in front, and using this speech to spread the message of humanity, humility, and hardiness. Fellow Toastmaster and honored guests, how are you using your Toastmaster skills to inspire people to change? How are you spreading the Triple H in your community? And most importantly, who are ready to fly and who are ready to lead the change starting today? Who are ready to spread the change starting today? I'm going to ask all the Charlie Browns in this room to proudly show off your magical yellow shirt and repeat after me. I am the president. I am the president. I am the president. I am the president.